Oh, hey guys. So I just wanted to hop on here really quickly before I show what I ate today. This was filmed before I announced that I'm going to try eating clean, which it's been going pretty good. I'm not perfect at it, but I just wanted to put this video out there since I did film it beforehand, and this obviously isn't an eating clean video, but I just wanted to come on and make myself clear so some of you aren't like, hey, that's not eating clean, because you will see hot dogs in here. Okay guys, I will continue with the video. So in the morning, my husband and I have now been having some green juice, or the red one, which you will see in a little bit, but we love this brand because it's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and it's vegan, and it's easy to use. You just mix a scoop in water and ta-da, or you can even mix it with some coconut milk, almond milk, and I show that later on in the video as well. But this green juice is so good for you. It's superfood, and I am on day 4 of this, and it's pretty much if you want to lose weight, you're overstressed, you're tired of being tired, and you just want to feel and look better from the inside out, this is definitely something you should try, because I'm already feeling a difference, and there's like a 7-day detox plan that I'm challenging myself with. And there's the water bottle that my husband was drinking. He likes to just put it in a water bottle. I like to look a little fancy dancy. So yeah, instead of, spending a lot of money per day for green juice, this is less than $2 per day, and it tastes good, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. But I will have a link and code down for you below. And also here, this is what I'm going to have later on, because I do have 2 a day. This is the red juice, the acai, and I just mix it with some unsweetened almond milk and mix that, and it is so good. This is my favorite. I do choose the red juice over the green, but I mean, they're both pretty tasty. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. And then for my actual breakfast, I did something so simple, so please don't expect like some fancy recipe, but I just scrambled eggs, and I had half an avocado, cut that avocado and put that in there, added some lime juice and pepper, mixed that up and had it with banana. And I don't know if I told you, but it was 2 eggs. So yeah, it's a really good breakfast, and the banana tops it off. So that was my breakfast, and now moving on to my new snack that I like. This is the Laughing Cow cheese dippers. So I like the triangle cheese that usually, from this brand, but they had these and I wanted to try them out. And as you can see, I had this for 4 points, and that was when I had the Weight Watcher app going on. So that's a for sure 4 points. And then for lunch, I had Hebrew National Beef Franks. These are really good, and those are 1 point. And some bread, and this is just the Target brand bread. I have that, and I got a slice of fat-free cheese, put that in the bread, and then wrapped up the hot dog and added some yellow mustard. I don't know why I said yellow. I mean, isn't all mustard yellow? But I added mustard and some bacon bits into my hot dog, and had that with some fruit too. I love my grapes, and there you go, my lunch. And this is when I had my favorite red juice. And then for dinner, I was almost not going to show this because I know some of you that have been here for a while are so sick of this, but I swear I eat it all the time. It's a chicken cilantro wontons with some cauliflower rice and some soy sauce that I like to mix with edamames, and it's just a really good dinner that just fills you up so good. Like, I'm drooling just looking at this. So yeah, that's my dinner. And then for dessert, I just wanted cucumbers, 1 hard-boiled egg, oranges, and grapes again. And yeah, that's what I ate in this day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, go ahead and check those out as well. And yeah, bye.